Now, you obviously reached a point where you weren't one to shy from, confronting some of the issues that you feel passionately about. I'm speaking about the racism in Aussie hip hop. Do you want to tell us about that?
Man, I speak with a lot of Indigenous artists and just even a lot of Indigenous people, and we can smell bullshit from a mile away, to put it simply. And you get this. It's weird because you get this feeling of things going down, but it's so hard to go, especially with that covert type racism. It's so hard to pinpoint your finger on it and go and then talk about it. But then it's like, because you know that so many people don't understand where you're coming from, and don't understand what it is, that it's hard to try and talk about it openly. It came to a point like things were happening. You don't have to go far. If you open up your eyes and look on stuff like social media, whatever, like I had dudes adding me, and then, weeks later, I'd see him like spouting racial, kind of stuff. And you just be like, whoa, man, you don't even understand, like, do they even know that I'm a black fella? Or, but, moving on from that, I think the way I feel about it now is I can deal with that kind of thing a whole lot better. And having an understanding of why a lot of kids have a mentality of what a black person is in this country, we're in a better position to have a better, deeper understanding to go, like, reach our hand out on it, and try and take the time to break it down for more.
Okay, people, here it is. Check it out. Jimblar, Racism in Oz Hip Hop.